Hello students, good morning. This is Joel from ERP support team. This video is about how to access the Moodle as a learning management system. Moodle is a customizable and flexible software designed to make the students enjoy the learning process. Moodle is chosen over other software tools like Google Classroom because of its personalized dashboard and tracking of progress option. Moodle is a free and open source learning management system written in PHP. Students can access your Moodle account using the website lms.savita.ac.in. lms.savita.ac.in. This LMS page will have login option at the top right corner of the page. Students will also get department specific websites which will be provided to the students, such as lms.savita.ac.in for EEE students and lms.mech. for the MEC students. Like this doesn't mean that the students have to log in only through their department website. Regarding this, students can get the list of subject available in each Moodle website from their respective mentor. This sheet PDF will be shared. In this PDF, you will get the websites for the particular courses. Clicking on the course, you will be redirected to the website. This is redirecting to lms.agree.savita.ac.in. You can access the particular course in this website. Okay. The login credentials, that is user ID and password, has been shared with the student to their registered email ID. If any of you did not receive or having issues like Cameo password not received or not accepting, or issues in enrollment process like Art Junior is not able to select, and any tab problem, students are requested to fill their details in the Google form, which will be shared with you shortly. This is that Google form, the enrollment issues form, Cameo and Moodle. You will have to fill the email address, student name, reference number, select the department, your WhatsApp number, and what is the issue in Cameo or Moodle, and the issue description. When you click on submit, we will be receiving the issue, and our ERP team will get back to you and solve the issue within an hour. Students have to complete the enrollment before Sunday and can access the Moodle from Monday onwards. Now let us explore the Moodle features. Login into your Moodle account using the credentials. During the first time login, let me copy the user ID. I am going to enter the details in the username, and I am going to enter the password which I have received in my email. Clicking on login. On the first time login, you will be redirected to this page, to the profile page. In the first name, enter your name, complete name, and in the surname, you will have to enter the register number or the reference number which you have received. Okay. After entering these details, this email address should be the registered email address. Do not change this email. For all the websites, this email address should be same, and this reference number should be same. Okay. After entering these two details, you will have to select the country, which is India, and the time zone is Asia, Kolkata. After entering these details, update the profile. Once you update the profile, you will be redirected to this page. In this page, you don't have any courses available for this particular student. Okay, I'll explain you why. This particular student has enrolled only 2 courses which is approved by us. One is problem solving Python, which is under CSE, and another one is soft skill, which is under lms.savita.ac.in. This I have referred only from this website page. Okay. Now I am going to access this course. So for soft skill, I am getting to lms.savita.ac.in, enter the same credentials, username and password. Once I get into the dashboard, after clearing the profile, I'll get the course here. See, the soft skill course is listed here. Clicking on soft skill, you can see the contents in the form of videos, document, unit wise or topic wise shown here. Also, any unit wise test will be shown here. The student have to submit their soft copies of their assignments or test papers by clicking the particular respective test name. Also, when students click the notes, It will be automatically downloaded to the device. I can show you also. When you log into this page, here they have uploaded, see the notes is uploaded. If you click on, that will be automatically downloaded to your device. Okay, this is the web page uploaded to the Moodle. This is your quiz. The tick mark shows the quiz, and the document with hand shows the assignment. Okay, these are the types of things which is available. In this you have H5P file also. You know what is H5P? H5P is an abbreviation of HTML5 package and aims to make it useful for everyone to create, share and reuse the interactive HTML5 content. Since Moodle is a interactive learning management system, H5P is also activated for you in our Moodle. Okay. Hope you got an idea on how to use Moodle. You will get to practice when you start to use your Moodle account. Students also must make a note that issues during first time login of CAMU and Moodle and issues during enrollment process will be solved by informing the ERP team. The later on issues will be, you will have to discuss with the mentor. Mentor will clear the issues as early as possible. Thank you.